In this video, I will show how to fix custom cursor resetting after a reboot in Windows 11 or 10. So search Control Panel. Now select large icons, and here guys you have to click on mouse, then click on pointers. Now here guys you have to select modified settings for your mouse, then click on save as and give the name. What you like and click on OK. Now again click on OK. Now click on mouse, and this time in pointers you will see this your custom settings for cursor is available. Just you have to select it, then click on OK. So this is the method guys, you can fix and resolve this custom cursor resetting problem. Thanks for watching.